Planning a big financial move and need every single trade, dividend, and deposit from Wealthsimple? If you've spent any time on the platform, you know all that activity is logged, but getting that data out can feel like trying to get a ship in a bottle. Whether you're switching brokerages, doing complex taxes, or just using personal finance software, you need clean, complete data. The official process for extracting your historical transaction data from Wealthsimple isn't always obvious, but once you know where to look, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to walk through the exact steps to get that sweet CSV file. Step 1. Head to the web portal. First things first, you can't do this easily from the mobile app. You need to log into the Wealthsimple web interface on your computer. This is where all the deep dive account management happens. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on that, and in the drop-down menu, select Documents. This is your personal digital filing cabinet. Step 2. Request the right document. Inside the Documents section, you'll see different filters. You're not looking for your tax slips, those are great, but they don't have the raw transaction detail you need. Instead, look for the document types like monthly statements, or sometimes you'll see an option to request a custom statement or holdings report. For the most comprehensive data, your best bet is to go for the monthly statements. Filter by account and select the specific account you want the data for. Filter by document type and select performance statements. Now you'll see a list of monthly statements. Here's the key. Instead of clicking to open the PDF, you're looking for the little button that says Download CSV. A CSV is a comma-separated values file, basically a spreadsheet, and that's the format you need for importing into almost any other software. Step 3. Getting all your history. If you have years of activity, you're going to have to repeat that download process for each month's statement. Yes, it's a bit tedious, but it ensures you capture every single transaction without missing anything. For a full tax year, you'll have 12 separate files. Download them all and put them in one folder. You will likely need to merge them into a single file later if you're importing to a separate service, so keep them organized. Pro tip: the holdings report. For a quick snapshot of what you currently own, look for the holdings report option under the Request Documents area. This will give you a single CSV file showing all your current positions, quantities, and their book value as of that day. This is super useful for portfolio tracking, but it won't have your historical buy and sell transactions. The full brokerage transfer. Now, if you are actually moving your investments to another brokerage, you can bypass most of this manual work. The process is almost always: initiate the transfer at the new brokerage. The new brokerage will send the paperwork to Wealthsimple's back office. Wealthsimple will then coordinate the transfer of your assets, either in kind, transferring the actual stocks and ETFs, or as cash, selling everything and sending the money. This is a 4 to 6 week process, and while Wealthsimple doesn't charge a fee, your receiving institution might. Just remember, for the full brokerage transfer, you let the receiving institution do the heavy lifting. But for a quick data export to reconcile your trades or run a portfolio analysis, those monthly